Hey there, Omnisenders! February might be the shortest month of the year, but here at Omnisend, it's long and exciting updates. Ready to see what's in the store? Let's dive in. Reminders. First, a shout out to our standard plan subscribers and above. Remember the marketing playbook we launched recently? It's your bi-weekly treasure trove of merchant-to-merchant strategies, step-by-step guides, and real-world campaigns to help you boost sales from your email marketing. So keep an eye on your inbox for those exclusive access details. Next up, let's talk deliverability. As of February 2024, major email providers like Gmail, Yahoo, and AOL have stepped up their game to enhance email security and improve user experience. This shift affects all users, particularly those sending large volumes of emails. If you haven't caught up to these changes yet, now is the time to act. Check out our dedicated video for all the details and ensure you're all set to meet these new requirements. Link in the description. And lastly, a quick note on toll-free numbers. Remember, sending messages from numbers still in the in-progress state is no longer an option. To keep your SMS campaigns running smoothly in the US, make sure your numbers are fully verified. Email Builder. First off, we're introducing a new layout for the image gallery. Now you can choose from variations where big images are positioned on the left, in the middle, or on the right. This added flexibility allows you to align your images perfectly with your brand's aesthetic and message. Next, we've removed the limitations on adding social media icons to your emails. Now you can add as many icons as you need to truly showcase your online presence. Just keep in mind, each row can comfortably hold up to 5 icons. We're also expanding the letter spacing feature. Previously available for just text blocks, you can now use it for the button settings as well. This means more control over the visual appeal of your calls to action, helping them stand out and capture attention. And last but not least, we've made finding your saved items and layouts a breeze. With the new search functionality in the Email Builder library, you can quickly locate and use your favorite designs and templates, streamlining your creative process and saving you valuable time. Forms. First up, we've made significant improvement in our forms targeting, especially for mobile users. Our exit intent targeting feature, previously limited to desktop, now works seamlessly on mobile devices as well. How does it work? It's based on scroll speed. So when a user is scrolling up quickly, which often indicates they're about to exit, our forms targeted for exit intent will pop up. This feature will help you capture your attention at critical moments. And next, we're introducing a new display type for forms, the flyout. A form that doesn't just pop up, but gracefully slides in from the side of the screen. It's less intrusive, allowing your visitors to continue navigating the page without disruption. The flyout form remains visible and accessible, providing a seamless experience where users can interact with it at their leisure. And finally, an update to the much-loved Wheel of Fortune block. We've refined the process for adding discount codes to your forms. Previously, templates came with default placeholders that needed to be replaced with actual discount codes, a step that could be overlooked. With our latest update, activating a form without adding real codes is no longer possible, ensuring you never miss out on leveraging this engaging feature. Segmentation. First off, we're thrilled to announce that the Segments page has a brand new look with its move to the new UI. The fresh interface is not just about aesthetics, it's designed for enhanced usability and efficiency. Along with this, we're introducing seamless contact sync from Segment to Facebook and Google audiences. This new flow means that you can now effortlessly extend your reach of your segments to your social media and Google ad campaigns. We've also added a thoughtful touch for those moments when you're managing your segments. There's now an additional notification that pops up if you attempt to delete a segment that's currently being used in automations. This is to ensure that your automations continue to work smoothly without any hiccups. The interface itself has been streamlined, with Facebook and Google icons now hidden to declutter your view. You can initiate and manage audience sync with ease through the Actions dropdown, keeping everything neat and accessible. We're also introducing a new pre-built segment which zeroes in on contacts who have subscribed but haven't been actively engaging with your messages. It's a fantastic tool for rekindling interest and reigniting conversations with your audience. And there's more. Our customer lifecycle stage map has received a significant upgrade. It's now interactive. Simply hover over a specific lifecycle stage and 2 options will appear: View Contacts and Retention Tactics. These features are invaluable in helping you to understand your customer's journey and equip you with strategies to keep them engaged and loyal. Integrations. Let's kick this off with some exciting news from our Wix customers. The Add Product to Cart event is now available. Not only does this enable you to utilize the cart abandonment workflow, but it also opens up the checkout abandonment workflow. What does this mean for you? A higher chance of recovering abandoned carts and generating more orders. Moving on to Nectar. This integration is all about customer appreciation. With Nectar, you can easily create loyalty, review, and reward programs that make your customers feel valued and special. It's an effective way to boost customer attention and advocacy. Then there's Mail Bandit AI A/B testing. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual A/B testing and welcome the era of AI automation. Mail Bandit offers an effortless solution for optimizing variations in your email campaigns. No more navigating complex graphs and spending hours on analysis. Mail Bandit handles the heavy lifting, giving you instant results and insights. Pabbly Connect is another integration we're excited about. This platform is a powerhouse for connectivity, allowing you to seamlessly pass data between more than 1,000 different business tools and services. With Pabbly Connect, integrating different applications is just a few clicks away. For Gravity Forms users, we've got the Omnisend for Gravity Forms add-on. This tool enables you to use your data more effectively. Create custom web forms for lead capture, payment collections, workflow automation, and more, all feeding seamlessly into your Omnisend campaigns. And last but not least, the Omnisend for Formidable Forms add-on. This integration connects formidable forms directly to Omnisend, automatically sending form data and contact information into your Omnisend account. It simplifies segmentation and helps you personalize your email campaigns, making your marketing efforts more targeted and effective. And there you have it, folks. Take these updates and explore them, and use them to unlock new levels of success in your marketing endeavors. And as always, your feedback is our guiding light. Let us know your thoughts in the comments or reach out to our award-winning support team anytime you need assistance. Catch you in the next one.